Hi everyone. So it looks like the sun has finally come out. So we have an opportunity to show you what we're going to be doing outside. Come along. So as you can see, we have a bit of a puzzle to solve because typically what I would like to do is create symmetry on either side of the front door and have the same amount of plants, whether that be boxwoods or others, flanking each side of the front door. However, here, the walkway that flanks the gravel drive demarcates the center of the circular drive. And what we've tried to do is bookend this with the bench up against the wall so that at least there's a reason for this little corner. So I'm contemplating how to make this all work together. The second puzzle we have to unravel is this area here on the side of the home. So here we are in our future camellia garden. What we'd like to do is bring this urn here out further into the yard, away from the house, so that we can see it from the dining room and have that be the focal point. Then what we would like to do is use these old slates that were taken from the old paving around the home and create a square so that it's an outdoor garden room, and surround it with some sort of natural trim, either wood or more stone, and that will serve as the ground base. Around that, what we will do is plant some more evergreens that hold their leaves in the winter to create a sense of structure that will last through the winter months. And I think that will be quite pretty, along with some camellias or other flowering plants to create some variety out here and make this an extra special space.